What's your name?
Kai.
Stop biting. Stop biting. How old are you? 2. What's your favorite food?
Chicken.
Chicken.
Mayonnaise.
What's your favorite
Nugget.
fruit?
Apple.
Apple? What's your favorite shape?
Second.
Circle. What's your favorite letter?
8.
A. What's your favorite number?
1.
1. Very good. Hello, everyone. What's that you're holding?
Kai.
Huh?
Calculator.
Calculator. What is 2 plus 3?
2 plus 3, 5.
5. How about 5 plus 5?
10.
Very good. How about 10 plus 1?
9.
10 plus 1 equals
11.
11. How about 10 plus 8?
10 plus 8, 18.
18. How about 10 plus 10?
20.
How about 7 plus 3?
10.
Very good!
100.
200.
And then plus 500 equals 700 plus 500. 500 plus 500 equals 1,000. And then 1,200 and plus 500 equals 1,200. 1,500.
1,500.
And then plus 200.
How much is that?
200 plus 700 and 500 plus 500 equals
Plus?
1,000 and then
How much is that?
And then plus 500 equals equals 1,700.
Correct! And then
Plus 1,000 equals 2,000.
2,000?
700.
Correct!
Still down, 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 down. Still up, still still up, still up. Still up, still up,
Wait,
still
bigyan mo, gini.
up. Still up, still up, still up.
Right.
Wait,
Your turn.
turn. Rambo, why is it pushing here?